Hi, I'm Andy Brocklehurst. This is Kurt, and boy, are we excited because we got something to tell you about. The other day, Kurt reached out to me and he asked me a question, and this question sparked this whole thing. Kurt, what was the question?
The question is, how much would you pay for knowledge of a print-on-demand product that can be created easily with AI that has a profit margin of up to $150 per item sold?
And I went, sounds good, but it depends. Kurt went, on what?
Depends on what? Yeah.
So we started going through the things. I went, number one, is it really print on demand? I don't want to handle any stocks because that's a big part of my business. I don't touch physical goods. And it is completely
truly print on demand, supplied and shipped full 9 yards.
Can be automated.
Yes.
Can it be done regardless of where you live in the world?
Absolutely. Without a problem.
Is it technical?
No.
Really isn't, is it? I mean, this is like as simple as it gets. Is it high demand?
Yes, there is a very high demand for this.
But then in that case, is the market oversaturated, or could it become that way?
If it does become that way, let me tell you this. We're going to give you lots of different ideas on how to actually expand upon that, how to come up with different ideas, how to implement them, and how to market them as well.
And is it seasonal? Is this something I can just do at certain times of the year?
It is a gift idea. It is a gift idea. But here's the thing. How many different times a year can you give gifts? Yeah, Christmas is the biggest, but of course there's anniversaries, birthdays, Mother's Days, Father's Days, graduations, anything that you could think of. This gift is a perfect gift for, and your customers are going to love it. Matter of fact, you're going to love it so much, you're probably going to do the exact same thing I'm doing, and I'm buying these for ridiculous low amount to give gifts this year.
So the crazy thing is, I was obviously interested, got together with Kurt, we looked at this one particular example, we got everything lined up, where you get it from, what to put in your listing, how to list it, everything. But I went, well, that's great. That's one product. And it sparked a whole bunch of things. We came up with, there's loads of other ideas you can do with this.
Yes.
Also, one of the biggest things is this particular supplier does things that Printful and others do not do. Now, we will also show you some stuff you can do with Printful, some amazing stuff that as a bonus. We're going to show you how you can create the perfect stuff to go on these. You can use AI. We'll also show you a bunch of places you can get stuff, and some of them are a little bit about the box thinking, but you know what? We can prove these things are already selling. Yes. This is doing things that are already selling and just getting in on it and taking your slice of the action. This is middleman profits. You don't need a website because we're going to list on already existing sales sites, and that might be several. You could use Etsy, you could list on eBay. It doesn't matter where you list. The examples we've got will show you different marketplaces that these things are for sale on. We'll show you where they're getting them from and how they're connecting these dots up. It's so simple. And once you understand the process, you can create as many of these little drop shipping things as you want to.
Over and over again.
The example we've got, they've got thousands of sales. And the minimum profit on each one was $130.
Yes, minimum.
And they never handle any goods. They never see any goods. They literally collect the money, place the order with the drop shipper. And if they want to, they could automate that.
That could be automated.
There's a little bit of technical for that. But you don't have to. You can keep it really easy. We're going to show you everything inside and then some. I'm really excited to give this away. I feel like giving away the farm for the price that you see down below. Get it now.